Hi kids! Today we will learn and revise the use of is, am, are, was, and were. So let's start. There are some words that are called helping verbs, and they are am, is, are, was, were, being, have, has, had, do, does, did, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, etc. All these verbs are called helping verbs as they help the main verbs in the sentence. Helping verbs always come before verbs in the sentence. Today we will learn the uses of is, am, are, was, and were, which are the forms of be. Is, am, are. These helping verbs are used in the present form of sentences. Dylan is a very cute boy. It is very late now. He is doing a fantastic job. She is cooking pizza. He is having his dinner. I am going to my grandma's house. I am going for my dance classes. I am not interested in reading comics. I am feeling sleepy. They all are acting in a play. They are having a party tonight. They are not going to the zoo today. All of them are wearing red hats. So kids, we use is, am, are in the present form of sentences, and they are all helping words. All these words come before the verbs in the sentence, like they are acting in some play. The verb here is acting, and are comes before acting. They are having a party tonight. The verb here is having, and are comes before the verb having. I am feeling sleepy. The verb here is feeling. Am come before the verb feeling. I am going for my dance classes. The verb here is going. Am, will has come before going. She is making pizza. The verb here is making, and is used before making. He is doing a fantastic job. The verb here is doing, and is used before doing. So, is, am, are all helping verbs, and they always come before main verbs. And is, am, are always used in the present form of sentences. Now we are going to learn the uses of was and were. Was and were are also helping verbs. They are used in the past form of sentences. Yesterday, while coming back from school, I saw a dog that was not looking healthy. He was looking very weak and hungry. I gave him to eat whatever was left in my lunchbox. All the sentences here are in the past form, and so the helping verb used is was. Let's have a look at another example. It was raining. The weather was very pleasant. I and all my friends played outside in mild showers. We were having a great time, but when it started thundering, we rushed inside our home. Here again, all the sentences are in past tense. So, was and were are used as helping verbs. Was is used in the past form of sentences, where the noun is singular. And were is the helping verb, which is used in the past form of sentences where the noun is plural. It was raining. It is considered singular. The weather was very pleasant. Weather here is a singular noun. We were having a great time. We is a plural pronoun. Here are some more examples. We were having a picnic in the fragrance garden last Sunday. We is a plural pronoun, so the helping verb used is were. Suddenly, a rabbit came in the garden. We were all surprised to see a rabbit there. The plural pronoun were is used as we is plural pronoun, and because the sentences are in the past form. It was cute and furry, but as soon as it saw us, it got scared and rushed back into the woods. The helping verb was is used with the rabbit as it is a singular pronoun and the sentence is in the past form. So kids, was and were are helping verbs used for past form of sentences. Was is used with singular nouns or pronouns, and were is used with plural nouns or pronouns. So kids, we learned about the uses of is, am, are, was, were that are helping verbs. Is, am, are used in the present forms of sentences. Is and am are used with singular nouns or pronouns. Are is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Was and were are used in the past form of sentences. Was is used before singular nouns and pronouns, and were is used with plural nouns and pronouns. Now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye. Tutway has thousands of animated videos on math, English, and science to clear the core basics of these subjects.